What's the meaning of Arctic Circle? Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle.
Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. The Arctic Circle is an imaginary line that circles the Earth at approximately 66.5 degrees north latitude. This line marks the southernmost point where the sun remains above the horizon for 24 hours on the summer solstice and below the horizon for 24 hours on the winter solstice. The area within the Arctic Circle is known as the Arctic region, which comprises parts of Canada, Greenland, Russia, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, and Iceland. This region is characterized by freezing temperatures, polar night, and the presence of ice caps and glaciers.